think in one bracket. And next up, we got winners, round 2, online.com Snowstorm versus R.
Did you keep saying that?
R, one of the best players in the state. Kirby main, kind of all across the board. Even plays Kirby in Melee. Always thought to be one of the worst characters in Melee, but R does work with him. And Sm4sh Kirby is definitely very viable.
Maybe it's just me, but I feel like R has kind of started a trend with Kirby players here.
Yeah, we've been seeing a lot of Kirby players in Minnesota lately, and a lot of good Kirby players. We got, I think there's at least 4 here today, which is a pretty good showing for one character. We got WR2. He hates it when we do this, so that's why we do it. But we got Bowser Jr. versus Kirby. I have not seen this matchup before. Gets a little weird.
Bowser Jr. is very good at mind games.
Oh yeah. Bowser Jr. R hitting in. Bowser Jr. is going to want to keep this space and really get those projectiles in. But Kirby is just getting the strings. That is R's main game right there, strings. He's so good at them with Kirby. Kirby's got some good strings in the air. Nice up tilt. And Kirby goes in. Ooh. The pummel, that is so ridiculous. That was so many people in the back there. Bowser Jr. I think needs to be a bit more defensive right now. So this is some popular play right here you're seeing.
R is really good at getting into people's
Yeah.
Good at reading all around right now.
Bowser Jr. trying to come in like a wrecking ball. Just throw up. It's a good move though.
Miley Cyrus.
Very good space. Bowser Jr. is putting up a fight though, definitely.
Gonna go Denny.
Good up smash. That's the reading right there. Well, that was interesting. It looks like the little momentum of Bowser's up smash got him out of the grab.
Yeah.
It's Bowser Jr.'s up smash is very good. Probably, I would argue it's the best up smash, actually. All around he's got very good smash attacks.
One thing that I really like about Bowser Jr. is that he takes less damage to hit his car, so opposed to hitting him.
Right. Yeah, that's a nice mechanic. I like that they incorporate that. Bowser Jr. is also surprisingly heavy. I think he's the 6th heaviest in the game.
Oh, the hammer.
Oh, the hammer. Is it going to finish?
Mind games.
Oh my gosh. Escapes it. R wanted that. He loves getting those from the left. And he's going for it. Gets with the nice down air. Gets out of it. Can Bowser Jr. take this down? Which is too bad because Snowstorm is a very good player. R is just all over this match right now. Bowser Jr. really trying to space him out good. R is not having that end of macro kills. Kirby mains take notes.
By far the best Kirby in Minnesota.
Definitely.
Oh no?
Like you would see how many viewers. Alright, so we're going to be heading into the second game.
Over 13.
I'll be interested in seeing picks for state. Oh, going right back to Sun City. Salty. Maybe Snowstorm felt good about that one. He just It's gonna just change up his playstyle. I do think this is a good stage for Bowser Jr.
Oh yeah, for sure.
He can run around, he can
Use those
space.
platforms.
Yeah, look, he's doing that right now with all his aerials. Bowser has very good aerial, and they're all very quick, very legless.
Pressure game as well.
Sure. Nice inhale.
And get bandana. We got bandana D over here.
Yep. And a cannon. That's pretty. Shout out to Sakurai. That's pretty funny. What? Ooh, excellent kill.
Yeah.
He was down by this edge there. Did he? No, Bowser. Nice. Nice up there.
Oh, he's getting some momentum.
He is. He's like, okay, shaking off that first match. This is how I play.
Get up on that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, and there's the up tilt strings.
It's over 14. I feel like whenever Kirby's focused, it's over 14. Taking control.
Yeah.
We're gonna beat you, and I'm gonna keep your ability.
It's kind of degrading. It's fun. I love seeing Kirby's like actually use that, especially against characters like Samus.
Oh yeah.
Just characters with. Ooh, nice cannon. Just kind of drops on him. Kirby is getting in there. Bowser Jr. is down to 1 stock. He's looking tough. He's gonna have to make something happen. Wow, really using those cannonballs to cover himself.
Three of Bowser Jr.'s smashes.
Definitely. Oh yeah. Kirby is at 102. Light character. But he needs to land it. Nice weight on the up air. And here, is it going to finish it this time?
See, this is a good way, or a good time to throw out a projectile.
No, why isn't Kirby taking damage? Is it a custom?
After it hits coverage, it doesn't take damage anymore.
Oh, really? I did not know that. That's a really good move to use in range then.
I don't know why Bowser Jr. is throwing out a projectile.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, he's just holding on to it.
Wow, there he
Triple R just playing his game right now.
That's the one he wants.
Yeah, back here.
Oh,
Nice!
That's how we do it.
Good punish. Just like, I'm not gonna lose that way. Triple R really wants that. The disrespect is so real right now. He's just not even trying to. I don't know. I think he's gonna take some punishments for that. I mean, he definitely has the stock lead though. Yeah, he is. Which is good. This is tournaments are still fun. You know, it's not always about being super competitive. It's enjoyable to watch. I do like Triple R's use of the cannon. He's actually using that very well. Part of Kirby meta is knowing how to use everyone's oh, and he gets it. There it is. Oh, that hurt.
Saying it's happening.
I have been hit by that before. I know what that feels like. Good showing by Snowstorm, though, staying very level-headed despite the match. And for those, just so you're aware, that was not losers round 1, that was winners round 2. That was our bad.
Alright, what are we at?
Next up we have losers round 2. We got that question mark.